Hello again, Keychain fans. I got another Yingtu, this time just a plain black 1911. I've reviewed the 1911 from this brand a few times now, at least once. Yeah, but I like them. They're inexpensive, and I just like different little fidget toys. So this thing actually has the text, as you can see, and it's got this lame keychain thing though. I'm gonna lose this. You shouldn't trust these ball keychains. They're not very strong. So this one has these types of grips here. Looks pretty good to me. Right. You'll have to decide, but I think it looks pretty realistic. I don't think the Yingtus actually fire like eject shells in all cases, or I can't remember any cases really. Maybe it does. You'll have to search the channel. I can't remember everything I review. Alright, so first thing I want to check is the mag release. It is heavy enough. It is a die-cast magazine, some hole indications, and also there's a real brass bullet in there. But as mentioned, I don't think it fires, but we'll find out. I'm trying to see. It doesn't ramp past that mag catch, so you got to actually actuate that button in order to actually put it in. It doesn't have a ramp. Yeah, there's no chamfer here, or I guess it would be up in there, but yeah, you're gonna have to literally hit the release thing to put the mag up in there. I wonder if that's the case on the original 1911. Leave a comment if you know. So get your pinky in there, and it will actuate that hammer. This little safety, it doesn't do anything, I don't think, because you just saw me pull the trigger. But it actually is a separate piece, and it does seem to have a spring behind it, like on the real gun, so that's neat. It's got some Phillips screws holding that grip on, if you want to remove the grip for some reason. This is metal, so I'm not going to mess with it. Then we have the slide catch. Oh, look at this. It doesn't slide back very far. I don't know what's holding that up. Let me take the mag out. Nope, still. Why is that not going back further? Well, we'll figure it out, hopefully. And there's no text on this side, but this text actually can be found on a bunch of 1911s, so that's nice. I think that's actually laser rastered into the anodization of this thing, or the paint, whatever's making this black. The sight actually is notched in the back, so you can look down the sights. You can see a little spring for the hammer right there. There's a little ribbing back here in the grip. There's none up front though. Okay. The only thing I'm really wondering now is there might be some extra metal or something getting in the way. Maybe it has to break in. But yeah, that should slide back further, no? To catch that? But clearly it's not. I'm going to have to pull out a different one just to see. So here I have a silver one with real wood grips. Yeah, see, this goes back. So, and also the safety, this safety, it will go up. So, but it doesn't really work as a safety. It's too rounded here up on the slide, but it's nice that that spins. Why won't... Well, I don't know. One thing that's nice is you can see the brass bullet through there, although it's pretty far down. It actually is very far down. Let me get a flashlight. See, it's down there, but it's so far down because this thing doesn't load bullets. It doesn't even have a hollow in that barrel. It's the front. The front does have a hollow. How deep? Not deep at all. Only like 5 millimeters. This is bothersome. Alright, let's see if we can maybe take it apart. Does this rotate? No. That doesn't want to push out. So this might have some defects going on internally that's not allowing it to cock back or let this thing be taken down. This one didn't really, I don't recall any issues. So it's supposed to work like this. Nice and satisfying. Alright. Let's just check the ramp on this thing. Nope, same thing. It doesn't ramp past the mag catch, so you gotta actuate the mag release. Yeah, alright, well, so your mileage will vary. If you're lucky, it should just work. But this one, even though it's the same casting, for some reason, it doesn't cock back. Yeah, there's something right. It's a real shame. Alright, leave it at that. So we already saw that 1911. Let's just pull out some other pistols here. Here's a, boy, I forget who makes this. Might just be a generic. It could be a Yingtu also, Glock. This is a plastic keychain Glock. Definitely inferior to the metal ones, but it's lightweight, so if you actually want to carry it around, it won't weigh you down. This, I forget who makes it, but it actually has the Glock engraving or lettering and stuff. Very nice. And then this is a Yingtu of a Kimber. Yeah, so very cool. Just some size comparisons. This is I think an extended barrel. I think these are all like 5-inch barrels, if I had to guess. Comment if you know. Well, not the best luck on this one, but it does look nice. It just doesn't function fully, so be aware of that. It's a cheap product and you might run into some quality problems. But my fake John Wick Lego still thinks it fits his outfit pretty well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time I get a keychain gun in.